Hello right there and welcome to my YT channel, and in this video I'm gonna be walking you through Kinsta hosting platform right there. So if you've actually been searching for Kinsta, if you've actually been wondering whether Kinsta is good for your hosting plans or not, this is the best video for you to watch because I'm gonna cover everything right there, that Kinsta features, Kinsta pricing and cons, Kinsta benefits, my experience, and obviously the results I got using Kinsta right there. So if actually you've been wondering if Kinsta is good for you or not, watch this video to the end, because by the end you're gonna have an informed decision whether or not Kinsta is good for you or not right there. So if you think after watching this video Kinsta is good for you, I'm gonna leave links in the description right there which will lead you direct to Kinsta for your bonuses right there. Links in the description are gonna give you bonuses, and I suggest you use the links that are gonna be in the description. They're gonna be the first link in the description right there. So actually you can see it saying find how moving to Kinsta could save you $2,400 plus per year on site costs right there. So I'm gonna walk you through exactly how Kinsta can save you a lot of money and how Kinsta can benefit your business right there. So if actually, I repeat, you've been wondering if Kinsta is good or not, or maybe you are trying to find the best web hosting for your business right there, I suggest you watch this to the end right there, because I'm going to be walking you through step by step exactly what Kinsta is, Kinsta pricing and cons, Kinsta pros, Kinsta features right there, and everything about Kinsta that you would like to know right there. So you can see it saying it's a WordPress hosting for sites that mean business right there. So Kinsta is really serious about what they're doing, and this is a web hosting that mean business right there. And to add on, Kinsta also gives a discount right there to non-profit organizations that want to host their business right there. So even if you're a non-profit organization, even if you are a business, you are welcome to Kinsta right there. So you can see it's saying join the growing club of 24,400 plus companies who made the switch to better, faster hosting. Whether you run a website, online shop, agency, or enterprise, Kinsta's premium managed hosting offers top performance and expert support right there. So Kinsta is gonna give you all the support you need right there. So I'm gonna be walking you also Kinsta plans and everything about Kinsta, so that after watching you have an informed decision right there. So yes, as I mentioned earlier, if you feel by the end of this video you're convinced that Kinsta is good for you and you would like to use Kinsta right there and buy Kinsta plans, I'm going to leave a link in the description right there. It's going to be the first link. The first link is going to lead you to Kinsta main page. The second link is going to lead you to Kinsta plans. And the third link is going to lead you to Kinsta features right there. So all the links are going to be in the description right there. And these links are going to be bonus links. And obviously you're going to get a bonus after using these links right there. So let's go to Kinsta features. We look at Kinsta features right there, and I'm going to be walking you through step by step as I mentioned earlier. So you can see it saying power your website with premium hosting feature right there. So get a fast, secure website backed by a premium into structure right there. Kinsta's industry leading integrations and developer friendly features deliver incredible value and results, time and money saved on your end right there. Learn about Kinsta's features below or test them for yourself now right there. So you can see here you're gonna have a free demo right there, and if you move on, you're gonna see you're gonna have enterprise right there. You're gonna have enterprises right there. You're gonna have agencies right there. You're gonna have WooCommerce right there, publishers, developers right there, small businesses right there, membership site right there, multi-site right there, education right there, LMS, a non-profit organization. If you fall under any of these right there, Kinsta is going to be good for you right there. So you can see it saying your enterprise partner for a large scale needs. You can see there's top tier infrastructure with global presence right there, custom plans with dedicated virtual machines, additional PHP workers, and reverse proxy. There's Cloudflare enterprise grade protection right there, and 24/7 support from experts right there. So you can see you can view enterprise grade solutions right there, and you're good to go right there. So you can see it saying here's a case study. had back on, switched to Kinsta and saw 63% drop in average site load time right there. So you can see this is a very good one. Had back on, switched to Kinsta and saw a 63% drop in average site load time. Fintech company had back on was tired of experiencing downtime and low performance rates. They needed a host that would support their business right there. So I bet Kinsta is the one for you right there. So you can see these are real human beings testimonials right there talking about Kinsta right there. You can see this one saying the backend tools are spot on the money and they have a number of little saving automation such as search and replace for the database, amazing quick backups, forcing HTTPS at the server level, and a bunch of others that obviate the need of the user plugins right there. You can see these are real human beings right there saying Kinsta APM makes it easy to optimize our website. It supplies us with information about resource heavy plugins and bottlenecks in the database and website code base right there. You can see right there it's saying just enabled Kinsta's new APM performance monitoring tool on a cloud. So you can see here these are real human beings talking about how good Kinsta is and talking about how their experience was improved by 63% when they switched to Kinsta right there. You can see here by yourself all these are real human beings talking about Kinsta right there. So as I mentioned earlier, I was going to tell you my experience and the results I got after switching to Kinsta as well. Myself, I saw a 90% increase rate after switching to Kinsta right there, which was overwhelming and good to me. No wonder I'm stuck to Kinsta, and no wonder I was actually forced to create this review video about Kinsta to appreciate Kinsta and to give you also an opportunity to use Kinsta right there. So you can see right there, and these are real human beings right there. You can see grow your business with the features included free of charge in every plan right there. So it's saying we know you won't find this winning combination of features with our competitors. If you're curious, check out our cost benefit ratio right there. So Kinsta is the only one that provides this feature, which is a very good feature for you and your business and your websites right there. So you can see it has a high speed right there, improve your website's performance with the fastest infrastructure right there. You can see you can build on Google Cloud Performance Premium tier network and fastest C2 virtual machines designed to minimize distance hops, resulting in fast and secure transport of your data right there. So you can see here it's saying our customers see up to 200% performance improvements, 30% improved latency, or 50% better bandwidth right there. So you can see right there these are all Kinsta's features right there, awesome features that you that can actually improve your experience right there. So you can see sleep easy knowing your site are monitored and secure 24/7 right there. You can see a SLA backed 99.9% uptime guarantee and hack free guarantee. So Kinsta is gonna give you hack free guarantee, which I believe is good for you and you need it right there. So you can see it's gonna also give you the two-factor authentication right there to make sure that you are safe right there from hackers online. So you can see it's gonna give you 24/7 365 real human chat is 30 seconds away right there. It's gonna give you all these good features right there that you see here. It's gonna give you hosting and scaling a WordPress site the right way has never been easy until now. So now it's made easy with Kinsta right there. Hey, as I mentioned earlier, I say the links are gonna be in the description right there. So if after watching this review video you are convinced that Kinsta is actually good for you, I'm gonna leave links in the description right there. They're gonna lead you to Kinsta right there, and they're gonna give you bonuses and discounts right there. So which is a good one for you right there to start. And you're gonna see it saying further reasons why you love Kinsta. They're gonna give you tagging environment right there. They're gonna give you easy redirects management right there. They're gonna give you developer features right there. Kinsta add-ons right there. They're gonna give you reduce WordPress debugging to minutes with Kinsta APM right there, which is a very good one right there. So you can see here it's saying download for free right there, and a hosting stack that goes beyond expectations right there. So you can see with Kinsta you're gonna get premium tier Google Cloud platform, unlike with others right there. With Kinsta, you're gonna get C2 machines on all plans. With Kinsta, you're gonna get Cloudflare enterprise level protection included. With Kinsta, you're gonna get Kinsta's application performance monitored APM right there. And with Kinsta, you're gonna get free SSL certifications. You're gonna get free automatic backups right there. You're gonna get Kinsta's expert 24/7 support and up-to-date software, regular uptime checks, and server level catching right there. You're gonna get free staging environment. You're gonna get my Kinsta website management dashboard right there. You're gonna get seamless integrations with Dev Kinsta, our free local development application right there. So you can see actually the leader summer there. You can see the best usability. You're gonna get the high performance, top 100% fastest growing products, and users love Kinsta. You can see we love you, you love Kinsta right there. So you can see these are all you're gonna get on Kinsta, and you can see these are two other human beings. You can see on Trustpilot saying Kinsta is the hand down and the best perform to host your WordPress site. It does everything right. You get all the benefits of a modern cloud provider without the learning curve right there. I was especially amazed how well the architecture was built and use of container as well as other modern security feature. Clearly the team at Kinsta knows what they are doing. Strong buy. You can see a Trustpilot is also recommending Kinsta right there. So you can see here it's also on Trustpilot. You can see there also some other person there. I came from GoDaddy, and from development to production the speed is extremely noticeable. The dashboard is great, blah blah blah. Everybody is talking about how good Kinsta is, and I believe you are now convinced that Kinsta is a very very good one right there. You can see here it's saying ready to go. Our plans encompasses starter to enterprise level solutions. Find what fits your business risk free with our 30-day money back guarantee. So they're gonna assure you actually a 30-day money back guarantee right there. So you can see it's from starter, which is $35 per month right there. You're gonna get one free one WordPress install. You're gonna get 25,000 visitors, 10 GB disk space, free SSL, CDN, and tagging, free immigration. You can choose this plan right there. We've got the business plans right there, which is actually from $115 right there. You're gonna get 5 WordPress installs, 100,000 visitors, which is a very very good one right there. 30 GB disk space, free SSL, CDN, and tagging, free immigration. You can choose go for this one as well if you can. You have got the agency plan right there at $240 right there. You're gonna get 20 WordPress installs right there, 400,000 visitors, 50 GB disk space, free SSL, CDN, tagging, and free migrations right there. And you've got the enterprise plans from $675 right there, which is 60 WordPress installs, 1 million visits, 100 GB disk space, free SSL, CDN, and tagging, and free migrations right there. So these are actually Kinsta plans right there. So I'm going to show you from the Kinsta plans right there, so that you see for yourself right there. So when you come here to Kinsta plans, it's saying you're gonna get 2 months. You're gonna get 2 months free by choosing Kinsta annual plans right there. So you have the paid monthly plans and the yearly plans right there. You choose which one. So if you come to the paid monthly plans, you can see here, if we come right there, you're gonna have this starter plan, which is 30-day money back guarantee, which is at $30, the one I showed you earlier. And you're gonna have this the pro plan right there, which is at $70 with 50,000 visitors right there. And you're gonna have the business one plan, which is 100,000 visitors right there. And you're gonna have the business two plan right there, which is 250,000 visitors right there. And you're gonna have the business three plan with 400,000 visits right there and 50 GB disk space right there. And you're gonna have the business 4 plan right there, which is 600,000 visits right there and 60 gigabytes disk space right there. And you're gonna have the enterprise 1 plan right there with 60 WordPress installs and 1 million visits right there. And you're gonna have the enterprise 2 plan with 1,000 right there, and with 1,500,000 visits, with 150 GB disk space right there. And you're gonna have the Enterprise 3 plan right there with 1,000, with 1,350 right there, with 120 WordPress visits and 2 million visits right there. Or I mean 120 WordPress installs and 2 million visits right there, with 200 GB disk space right there. And you're gonna have the Enterprise 4 right there with 2.5 million. You're gonna have the Enterprise 4 right there with 2.5 million visits, 150 WordPress installs right there. And actually you're gonna have also the contact sales page right there. As I mentioned earlier, all links are gonna be in the description below to avoid you making mistakes, one, and number two, to get your bonuses right there, and the best Kinsta plans right there for yourself. So actually you can choose whether you want to go for a paid monthly plan or a yearly plan right there, whichever way you feel is good for you right there. So, and for the plans right there, you can choose which plan you feel is good for you, but the higher the plan's price, the better the experience for you right there. So actually I recommend you go for higher plans right there, so that you experience better results right there for yourself. So as you can see here, this is actually the WordPress hosting plans, sites that mean business for you, and you saw real human beings talking about moving from OneWeb hosting to Kinsta right there. This shows you how well Kinsta has been architectured right there. So actually links are in the description right there. See you in Kinsta, and I hope you progress better and faster with Kinsta right there with your business right there. And with that said, I think you can leave me a like, you can leave me a subscribe right there, you can turn the notification bell to also whenever I come back again reviewing another web hosting or another software that you might be interested, you're gonna be notified right there that hey, I've just actually released a new software review for you, so that you make an informed decision. And I'm completely sure that now you have an informed decision on which web hosting you can use and which web hosting plan you go for right there. Links in the description. And hey, see you, and hope you like this review. Bye. See you in my next review video right there.